This is not a clickbait. I actually want to help you, okay? So let me take off my glasses and let's get started.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Good Custom Beauty. You guys know I cut my hair when I went to Ghana, and again I cut my hair for the last time, let's say October, November 2016. Yeah, October, November 2016. So late 2016 I cut my hair again for the last time. I'm going to put the footage in right here. What's up guys? I just got my next, my second, my third, another haircut. Look how short it is. Something wicked. I think it suits me. I think I have a good head for short hair. Yeah? So today I want to tell you guys about the benefits I feel of petroleum jelly and how I feel that it has contributed to my hair growth. Don't believe anyone who tells you that this one product grew their hair, because obviously with the hair there's so many variables. This is just one part to play. So this is on the moisture front. I feel like petroleum jelly and petroleum jelly products have helped me to keep my hair moisturized, and then obviously directly help to grow out my hair. With petroleum jelly, the whole, I guess, science behind it, petroleum jelly is a product that it's a sort of acts as a barrier. You know, for the longest time I've always used petroleum jelly at night on my skin, and I always found when I woke up my skin just felt really succulent. Yo, dictionary up. I've been reading the dictionary. I'm trying to update my vocabulary. So my skin will be looking succulent, supple, maybe that's the right word. Okay, and I always loved it. And also when I was relaxed, I also used to use petroleum-based products for my hair to moisturize my hair. And the thing is, this is not what's moisturizing the hair. This is what is sealing in the moisture. So once you spritz your hair, you put this on to seal in the moisture. So one of the first ever products I've used, like I remember this one back when I was younger, is Dux. I don't know if you guys remember Dux. This is Dux, the green one. I actually bought the blue one the last time and I regret it because I think it's medicated. This is the normal one. It's the vegetable oil something. But anyway, I'm going to show you a few products, but the main thing is, the main ingredient is petroleum jelly. The first ingredient for this is petroleum jelly. This is another product that I bought in Ghana that I really love as well. It's called, I don't know how to pronounce that. I do not know how to pronounce that. The first product is petroleum. And of course, I knew that the reason why these products were working so well for me is because of the petroleum, so I went out and bought petroleum itself. And this, as I said, is what I use sometimes at night for my skin, which I find helps a lot. Other products in the market that you can use: Blue Magic, Apple Hair Food. Obviously I've showed you Dux, another one I got from Ghana, but there's so many. Honestly, if you go to your local beauty supply store, on that like moisture aisle, there's so many. Just make sure the first ingredient is petroleum and you're good to go. And if you actually don't want to stress yourself out, because the only difference between the real petroleum and the other products is they probably added some color and some sort of smell to it. You could add your own. You could add essential oils to this and make it your own thing. So this is the pure at its pure. Okay, so this is it at its purest state, but you can buy the other products that have it as the first ingredients. I think for the longest time, petroleum has been sort of demonized in the natural hair community because it's meant to clog up pores and all this sort of thing. And to be honest, I don't use it on my scalp per se, but I think it does end up getting to my scalp. But I spritz my hair, I put it in my hair, and I rub it in on the actual strands. And even if it did get on my scalp, I'm someone who washes my hair religiously, once a week, or even if I'm pushing it, once every 2 weeks. So there isn't that much product buildup, and I think that's one of the reasons why people sort of stop using it. But for moisture, if you're struggling with like dry, brittle hair that you always have to constantly moisturize, this is the best thing for you. And me, for the longest time, and I still am really, I'm a wig wearer, so I like to wig up my hair and I'm on the go. Once you put the moisture in, once you put the petroleum in, either you comb or you braid up your hair underneath your wigs for like a week or so. You don't have to touch it. I would advise to spritz your hair on a regular basis, but apart from that, your hair stays moisturized and it's just good. If you've stopped using it for any reason, I think you should try and consider going back to it, especially for moisture. As I said, it's great for moisture and it's helped my hair out a whole lot. So yeah, this is my hair 1 year and like 4 months down the line. And I do have to say, not that I feel like my hair has grown fast, but compared to when I first went natural, I do feel like this has grown faster. Or maybe because now I know how to keep my hair. I know my hair more. You know, the second time around of doing something like your second child, you have a better knowledge. That was a good analogy, come on, it was. So I think maybe I just know how to treat my hair better. I know what products work for me better, and therefore it seems like a more of a smooth transaction compared to the first ever time I went natural, which was 2009 2010 time. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know what one product that you always loved using and you knew worked for your hair, but you sort of stopped using it because of what people were saying. Let me know if you have that one product, and if it is petroleum jelly, then I say go back to using it because it works. Oh, my hair moves. Oh, hey. You know, I was watching my old videos and I realized how happy I used to look. I used to look so happy, like life was simple 3 years ago. Now just everything's dawning on me. AKA Deborah, AKA Ghana Jollof, AKA I love watching, AKA let's do this video ready, AKA it's really sunny today, AKA like it was actually snowing like 2 days ago, AKA